Autodesk Autocad. Exercise 1 continuation. So then select this one, copy command. Select the base point. Select this one. So then select this. Say then select on here. Base point on here. Through the object snap dragging. Coincided here. Click on and select on this midpoint. Copy to like this way. Then right mouse enter. So then after that, select this array command, polar array, base point on here. Number of items 4. Number of items 4. Then close array. Then select this, same as area away, copy command. Then base point, select on here. Then select on here. Base point on here through the object snap dragging. Then copy to on this midpoint. Right mouse enter. Correct. So then highlight this. Group. So you group this. So then after that copy. Select this one, copy command. Base point. Base point on here. Sorry. So select this one. Select this one, copy command. Copy command. Base point on here. So then straight copy to here. How many copies do you need? Say you can feel like this way. Then right mouse enter. Then ungroup this. Ungroup this. Ungroup this. So now select this one. Then select this. Then select this one. Sorry. Select this line. So next one, this one. Copy command. Base point on here. Then copy to here straight. So then select this. Rotate base point on here. Right. Rotate to other side. So then copy base point through the object snap dragging. Click on here, then select on here, midpoint. Right mouse enter. So then highlight this. Copy. Paste point. So then copy to here. How many copies do you need? Say you can give like this. Say right mouse enter. So like this way, so go to patterns, select gradient type or solid. Select the gradient type, and change the color also. So just select this one. So likewise, you can see the inside. Different colors you can select. Different colors you can select for this one. So you can copy and either different colors you wish. With border line command, select on here. So then coincide with this corner. Say here this one and this one. Coincide with this corner. So the straight, they then coincide with this one. Then coincide with this through the object snap dragging. Then right mouse close. So you can make the corners. So the different colors you can give the different way. That's all. So the exercise one. Okay, meet on next exercise.